Hello, beloved Gelli Printing community. I am Ariana. Welcome to the Joy of Gelli Printing. I have been doing, I have been working this channel. I have founded this channel. I have launched this Joy of Gelli Printing channel 6 months ago. And it's a passion, it's an obsession. I have some, I don't know, 80 videos out there. I have short one and I have longer ones. And I have to admit, I can't stop creating. So anyway, I just wanted to show my face because you don't know me from my videos. You have, maybe if you are one of my followers, maybe you have seen one of my earlier videos where I'm talking about the intention of starting this channel, which was to share the joy of Gelli Printing, and not just joy of the creative process, joy generally, because joy is the highest frequency. That's what frees us, uplifts us, right? And Gelli Printing it's a perfect tool to open up, to let go of the old, because what is left, it will be on the right, what's in the front will be in the back. So it's a deprogramming of the mind. So here you are passionately playing with colors, enjoying yourself, and turning off your mind, and just being yourself, bringing out the inner child. That's joy, that's the highest frequency. That's how we heal ourselves, that's how we heal the collective and the planet. So here you have it. I would like to wish you all a Happy New Year, full of bold layers, brave play, and full of fearlessness, full of discovery, pioneering consciousness, willingness to try something new. For what you can lose, a dab of pain, a sheet of paper. Just go wild. Cheers to the endless creative discoveries. Happy 2026. Bye bye.